Hello and welcome to this hotel tour for the Hilton in Hiroshima. We're staying here for 2 nights in a 1 king bed executive room. So it's really conveniently located in central Hiroshima. It took us about 5 minutes in a taxi to get here from Hiroshima station. We booked it direct through Hilton and we've paid £160 for 2 nights. We've got an absolute bargain on the rate here. Now what we're going to show you is the lobby, breakfast, the restaurant and bar, the executive lounge, the fitness centre and everything that the hotel has to offer. It's been a fantastic stay here, so we hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more hotel tours and more travel videos. So this is the main lobby area. So as soon as you walk in through those doors, you'll be greeted with this really beautiful entrance. You've got the concierge, which will usually be here. Up here is the main check-in and reception desk. And if you are a member of the Hilton Grand Vacations Club, you have a dedicated desk just here. Now that's Hilton's sort of like timeshare. Over here, there's Kieran. Over here, you have got a little coffee bar and further additional seating as well, which looks really nice. And then if I just walk around all the way, you've got the main check-in desk and reception here as well. So that's the lobby of the Hilton in Hiroshima. You can really tell it's a modern new hotel as well. They've got perfume all sprayed in the lobby area and it smells amazing, and this bonsai tree looks really cool as well. If you're interested, they also have a lot of different meeting rooms. What we noticed downstairs is that they do wedding services as well. There is a chapel on the site, which is really, really cute. We saw a bridal gown as soon as we walked in. So they do the first or the full wedding services as well. And then down there are just further meeting rooms and an escalator downstairs as well. This is one of the main bars, which is just off the restaurant. They've got some music equipment. They've got a keyboard over here as well, so you'll have live music. Really pretty inside. And then they've got this really nice round bar in the centre. Now I don't know if it's this bar, but they do a happy hour as well every day, or Monday to Friday between 5 o'clock and 7:30, where it's 50% off drinks. And if you are a Hilton member, you do get some discounts. So all members get 10%. If you are a gold or diamond member, you get 25% off drinks. I don't think you'll be able to stack the discounts though. So here's the bar area. This is our room at the Hilton in Hiroshima and it is gorgeous. So we are staying in a 1 king bed executive room. Come this way, Kieran. We'll first go into the bathroom. Really spacious. So straight in front of you, you've got a big vanity area and all your complimentary toiletries are here on the shelving next to you. Just as with every Hilton, bit echoey, but there's a wet room in here with a nice bath as well. And then, Crabtree toiletries as well. Then in here, you've got a really nice toilet. Back through this way then, the hallway and corridor is absolutely enormous. So you come here, loads of luggage space. There's an iron and ironing board, massive wardrobe space. Here you've got plenty of space to store your luggage. And then you've got some lovely pyjamas. More drawer space as well. This way into the main bedroom. I'm assuming that this is your complimentary tea and coffee and some glasses. There's also a bottle opener. Tea and coffee making facilities. You do get a couple of complimentary bottles of water. And this is where your fridge is up here. Great, let's pop that water in there now. There we go. We'll do the next one in a bit. This way into the bedroom. So massive Hilton king size bed. Oh, there's nothing like the Hilton pillows, honestly. You know from our videos that we are very brand loyal to Hilton. There's many reasons why. You've got this awesome, massive big window and view. Might not be able to see it too well, but what we'll do is at the end of this room tour, we'll turn the lights off and show you the view. You've got a table and singular chair. Don't know why it's just one. And then a really massive TV screen as well. There's plug sockets either side of the bed as well as USB sockets. And you control all your lights here as well. Oh, I think that this alarm clock's got wireless charging as well. That's good. Brilliant. Absolutely gorgeous stay and gorgeous room at the Hilton Hiroshima. Like I said, it's a 1 king bed executive. Now we got this for an absolute bargain price. We paid 30,000 yen for 2 nights. So that's about £170, £85 per night. Absolutely amazing. Really can't fault that at all. Just to tell you about some of the welcome introductions that we had. So the breakfast is on the 6th floor in the Mosaic restaurant. You've also got a sushi and teppanyaki on there as well. There is a L'Octane Spa. Now, as a Hilton Honors member, doesn't matter what tier you are, you get 10% discount on there. There's also a pool, sauna, jacuzzi and locker room and gym as well. Open. The pool area is open 6 o'clock till 10 o'clock and the gym is open 24 hours a day. There's also an executive lounge. We'll show you all of this as well. There's an executive lounge on the 22nd floor, so I really want to go and have a look at that because if our view's stunning, I'm sure that the view from the executive lounge will be stunning as well. Breakfast is served between 6:30 and 10 o'clock in the morning, or you can have breakfast at the executive lounge between 7 o'clock and 10 o'clock. So that's some welcome information. Let's turn the lights off and see if we can show you this view now. Oh, there we go. Hopefully you can see that. So there you go, now you can see the beautiful view that we have of Hiroshima. Okay, we're at the breakfast at the Mozaki?
Senzu.
Oh, Senzu restaurant. So you've got your tea and coffee machine just here. Oh, you've got fresh tea as well over here on this side. So that's a hot water urn. Loads of herbal teas. You've got your fresh fruit stand over here. It's got condiments as well, like jam, peanut butter, Nutella, mini muffins. Oh, they look cute. Apple cinnamon. Pastries here. You've got your toaster. One criticism of every hotel breakfast that we say, get more toasters. But I'm sure it'll be fine. Here you've got smoked cheese, cold cuts, gazpacho. We've got donuts here, different cereals, and then different lots of fruit and jelly. Oh, gazpacho and jelly for breakfast. You've got a nice salad station here. I'll come show you that again in a minute because it's a bit busy this morning, even though it's only 6:45 in the morning. Over here, you've got Hiroshima food, which is Konguro Chirashi sushi. Ooh. Very good. You've got soft-boiled eggs here. Over on this side, you've got dumplings here, congee,
Rice porridge.
yeah, same thing. Miso soup, some rice there. Well, I think he's making French toast, so that looks really nice there. You got some freshly prepared French toast there. And then there is an omelette station as well. Oh, there you go, a little flip. You've got some more sushi and fish cake. You've got the famous Japanese rolled egg omelette there as well. Over here, you've got your more traditional hot food. So even though you can't see that, that is scrambled eggs. It's just very yellow. Hard-boiled eggs, bacon, sausage, and mackerel. Then over here, you've got a vegetarian station. That's good. So aloo, Chloe Indian curry, vegetables, ratatouille, croquettes. Oh my God, there's baked beans, Kieran. There are baked beans. We love a baked bean. And then I'm guessing that's just normal porridge. And then all of your fresh juices here. So you've got some detox water. Oh, apple juice, orange juice, grapefruit, iced tea and iced coffee there as well. So lots to choose from. Looks really nice. What we'll do is we will go and get something to eat now from the breakfast station. So here is the executive lounge located on the 22nd floor. So you walk in, straight to your left you'll give your room number and then they'll welcome you. And to your right you've got loads of really nice seating over here and a television. You've got a toilet over there and some private seating areas. Then over this way you've got where they will host the buffet for the afternoon tea and also for the cocktail hour. So here is where that will be. Now the evening cocktail hour, which we'll show you in a little bit, includes plenty of different drinks, including draft beer. That's only available between 5 o'clock and 8 o'clock. But apart from that, you will always have soft drinks available. So as you can see, you've got Coke, ginger ale, sparkling water and Coke Zero. And there's always tea and coffee available as well. The nice coffee machine. They've always got some basic snacks in as well. There's Kieran. Give us a wave, Kieran. Then over here you've got more space. And you've got some gorgeous views of the Hiroshima skyline as well. So that is the executive lounge at the Hilton Hiroshima. It is absolutely gorgeous. We've loved our stay in here. So this is the executive lounge, and during the cocktail hour they've got loads of different food on offer. So you've got some dim sum here, fried potatoes, bread, yummy snacks. That's the red bean paste bun, some cold cuts and cheese, some salad. And over here you've got all your plates and cups, hot water and cold water on the tap there. Then also a coffee machine. It shows you how to make it on the little screen there as well. Over here you've got the alcohol section that's included with the cocktail hour. So all this is free pour, you just pour it yourselves. They've got detox water, but then this is the good stuff obviously. So they've got red wine, spirits, chilled white wine, they've got chilled sake here and champagne. Then they've got some soft drinks here. So Coke, ginger ale, sparkling water, Coke Zero, tonic water, alcohol-free beer, and then loads of juices. All the soft drinks stay after the cocktail hour finishes, but the alcohol goes. And then they have the coolest ever machine. I mean, it is literally genius. Japan has everything. So what you get is you get your little glass, and as you can see, you've got a device there. So what you do is you put it in here, click, and it pours you a perfect beer. Amazing. Get me one of them in my house.
Now that the pool area is quiet, I wanted to give you a quick look of the pool because it is super stunning. Obviously you've got a massive pool area and you've got really nice jacuzzi at the back. You've got lounges across the back wall, and there's also lounges also to the left over here. There's quite a few of them, and then they've also got a sauna that you can use, which is just here. They do have a female-only sauna as well, that is located just to the left of there that can be used. But we've utilised the facilities and they've been really lovely. Jacuzzi is super hot, sauna is lovely, and the pool's really massive and really nice to use. So definitely come and use this if you're staying here. Bring those swimming costumes because it is really, really good. They also have a really cold plunge bath that you can use, which is next to the sauna. So if you want to get in from the heat to the freezing cold, they do have that plunge pool as well. They also do offer a kids hour section, and there's some blow up tubes here and some mats that can be used as well. And then as soon as you come in, there's loads of towels that you can use as well, so you don't have to bring any down from the room. So here's a quick look at the fitness centre. You've got all your usual weights, treadmills, row machines, everything that you could want to probably work out. And there is a water dispenser, there is some towels as well. So it's a really nice space. All the treadmills and walking machines have got the screens that you can watch TV on. So somebody could be watching the baseball, but it's a really nice space for people to come and work out as well. So come and check it out. This is open 24 hours, so you can come and use it whenever you like.